Bonjour les amis! Welcome back to FLS Kids. It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's word is all about how we move from one place to one place. Le transport. Can you say with me? Le transport. It means transportation in French. It's how we travel to l'école, to the park, or to visit our friends. Fred and Renette are standing by the road today. They're watching all the different ways people move around. Regarde Renette, Fred points at the street. There goes une voiture, a car. It goes vroom, vroom, all the way down the road. Then someone zooms past them on the sidewalk. Whoa! Look at le vélo, says Renette. Le vélo is the bicycle. It's fun to pedal and ring the bell. Ding dong. Suddenly, a big yellow vehicle pulls up to the corner. C'est l'autobus, shouts Fred. L'autobus means the bus. It's big enough to carry all the students to school. Fred and Renette wave at the people passing by. Whether by voiture, vélo, or autobus, they love learning about le transport. So, let's remember. Le transport, transportation. La voiture, car. Le vélo, bicycle. L'autobus, the bus. Bravo les amis! How do you get to school? Is it une voiture or un vélo? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun French words every week. À bientôt!